Hello, so we have Mercy Adarapaba Tipura here in the studios, and today we are going to have a talk with her. A few things about. Welcome, Mercy.
Thank you.
Okay, so I would like to ask a few questions about you. Where were you born and raised? Are you a Ghanaian?
Yes, I'm a Ghanaian.
Okay.
Born and raised in the Upper East region of Ghana, Navrongo.
Navrongo?
Yes.
Oh, okay. How has life been when growing up?
Life has not been easy, especially being born in the north. It's like you have to strive to get to wherever you want to, because over there things are not easy as it seems here in the southern part of Ghana.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
And that is great. I can see you've created something for yourself. I know you're a DJ, you're a chef, and then you are into modeling also.
Yes.
Yes. And so can you tell me how you started or entered into the modeling agency, how you started it?
Oh yes, growing up at age 16, I dreamed to. My dream was to become a supermodel, a Miss Universe.
Okay.
Yes, but where I came from, it is difficult to get into the modeling agency. So along the line, I gave up.
Oh.
Yes, I came to Accra 2019 to further my education and that look for greener pastures. That was the main reason I came, but modeling was not actually part of my reasons for coming here.
Oh, okay.
But coming here, I went to school, ATU. I studied science laboratory technician, but
wow,
I'm actually not doing that at the moment because
that's very great.
Yeah,
that's very great.
I put that on hold for now. I would go back to that chapter when I'm ready.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
And so you went to a chef school. Is there a chef school? Something that you went to?
I was fortunate to find myself in the hospitality industry, and I met one great man called Alan Al-Nasarla.
Oh.
He's from Syria, awesome. But he was born and raised in Dubai. He's a big chef. I think he has 30 years experience, so he trained me. I make Middle Eastern dishes.
Wow.
Yes.
Do you have a restaurant?
Yes, I work at Gazebo View restaurant inside Jolu.
Oh, okay.
It's a big restaurant.
They have every kind of meal?
Yeah.
Local, continental, international?
It's a Middle Eastern restaurant.
So,
basically,
what kind of meals?
The Middle Eastern, the real shawarma.
Oh, real shawarma?
Shawarma, yeah.
So we have fake ones
the
around.
ones they sell by the street is not actually shawarma.
Wow.
And these Middle Eastern people, the Lebanese, the Syrians, these Arabs, everything, pizza, real pizza. If you want to taste pizza, come there and taste pizza. Not.
And you said Gazebo?
Yes, it's called Gazebo View Restaurant.
Gazebo View Restaurant. Yes. I think I'll be visiting there soon.
You should.
Okay.
You should.
So
we have a playground too there for kids to play while their parents are having dinner or lunch. Parents drop off their kids when they are going to work or have meetings. Then there are people there to take care of the kids when you are away.
That is a nice place to be. And so those who have children and also want your children to enjoy whilst enjoying your meal, you can visit the Gazebo restaurant, right? Yeah.
Yes.
So I learned you are a DJ. How is that one to go with?
Well, the DJ, I was inspired by Mekukwe, the father of all DJs in Ghana, the CEO of Ghana DJ Awards.
Wow.
He, let me say, growing up is not easy, but God usually makes me meet people who makes life easy for me.
No.
Because when I met him, he's a very fun and easy person to be with. He's everything that you would look for as a mentor. So he picked me and said, Mercy, I want you to be a DJ.
Oh,
I actually joined a modeling agency called, there was this program called Miss Coco Ghana. It didn't go well. That was what he wanted me to do as a talent show at that program, but it didn't go well. So that was where I started to do DJing. And I don't really go on the maybe big shows, but behind scenes, I train. If you give me a mixer and a laptop, I can play for you.
Oh.
But it's something that I I want to do as a big time.
Okay, I don't have a laptop here, like you just try your DJ skills. But then don't worry, I learned you are an entrepreneur, and then a young lady who is an entrepreneur. I want to just know about some of your companies, your businesses that you do.
Okay, so I am a CEO of Adapt Shea Ventures.
Okay.
That is a shea butter company, and I'm adding cosmetics to body pomade, like body lotion, shower gel, body scrubs, and all that, using shea butter as the base. Okay. But currently, I have my product, the raw shea butter, in town. Even I have a few in some supermarkets in the US.
Oh, nice.
Yes. But I also work with this company called PPC at Paga. It's a factory that we've opened at Paga to employ the young ladies and guys who are there because there are no jobs over there.
No jobs.
Yes, so we produce nurses scraps, anything protective clothes in the hospital because it's scarce to get protective clothes to buy in Ghana. Mostly the import, but we want to do made in Ghana protective clothes for hospital.
Oh, that's
we have a shop just opposite Kolebu called Fisher Shop, PPC Fisher Shop. Yes, we have 16 branches in Ghana, but the biggest one is the one just opposite Kolebu gates. So anything hospital bed, wheelchairs, gauze, anything you want, you can get it there. So
you're a really big woman. You're a really big woman.
Yeah, we can say by the grace of God, I'm pushing.
Okay, so you are CEO of Adapt Shea.
Yes.
So Adapt Shea is your company, right?
Yes.
And then what upcoming programs or what upcoming stuff are you bringing on board from your company?
From my company, let me say the cosmetic side, body lotion, shower gels, body scrubs. So that basically I'm doing it because I want to create employment for the youth and the young ladies in the northern parts of Ghana because there are no jobs there, and that's where the shea butter mostly come from. So if I'm able to start up my company, it is in the northern part that I'm going to open the factory so they can get something to do.
So this is to the northern people. Your sister here is having you in vision. She's opening up a company so that it comes to support the northern region, and so let's give it up for her. She's doing extremely well. I learned she's also a strong advocate for women, right?
Yes,
women empowerment. And I would like to hear about that one. What are your programs that you offer, and what are the stuff that you do?
Yeah. Okay, basically the women empowerment came from the experience I've had growing up as a lady. It's not easy. So this company, PPC at Paga, is actually owned by someone from Paga, from Navrongo. Paga and Navrongo are just like 5 minutes drive. So we happened to find a land in Paga. So we decided to build a company at Paga, and we employ women. We have the machines, showing machines. We have we produce liquid detergent also. So we just make this available for the women to come and work, and we pay them because they don't have the money to buy machines.
Okay.
So we provide the machines for them. Then they come, sew the lab coats, the hospital bed sheets, hospital beds. We buy the foam from here, take it there, then they sew the hospital bed, and we just fix it, and we come and sell. So they can also make something out of it. So anything that girls can do, anything that can bring food to their table, I am up for it.
Oh, that is good. That is good. You are doing very well. Mercy here is doing very well, and I think she needs the support. How is funding going? Are you getting the financial support? How are you funding the whole project?
Well, the funding is very slow because it's not everybody that wants to invest in it. It's not everybody that sees this side of what we are doing. It's very difficult. At the moment, we don't even have anyone funding. We are trying
so
our
you're
best.
funding it self, like you are
Yes.
funding it yourself?
Yes, with the CEO of
With the CEO.
company.
Oh,
Yes.
okay.
So we are still trying to get supporters and investors who are open to invest in our company.
Okay.
Because we want it to go really big.
So,
not only for the North, but the whole Ghana.
For the whole of Ghana.
Yes.
Okay, so I think with the project that Mercy is having, it's a very big project which will go a long way to help Ghanaians as a whole. So if you have the support, you have the financial means to support Mercy, you can contact us and then we will link you to Mercy. And so I'm still talking to Mercy. I would like to know about your marital life. Are you married? Are you engaged? Are you trying to engage? When are you getting married? Or it's a personal thing?
I'm not married.
Okay.
I'm still in search.
In search?
Yes.
You don't have any somebody somewhere that is in the pipeline?
Not really.
Not really?
Yeah.
They are watching them.
Okay, that's just by the way. That's a personal life. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Was
So
just kidding.
I would like to see some of the products that you brought to us today in the studio. Some of the products that you are producing or presenting. So can I have a look?
Yes. So this is Adaptia Ventures. This is packaged by me.
Oh, this
Yes.
is nice.
This is raw
You can
shea
see
butter.
it. Raw shea butter. Okay.
Yes.
Pamper your skin, beautify your hair, 100% pure, natural. Adapts Ventures, organic and natural. This is organic, natural, from the north, not the one that they use rubber.
This is my medium size.
Okay. So
I have
this
three.
is also medium size
This is
shea
a-
butter. They are all natural stuff from the north. The north is doing the most. They are doing well. I've started seeing a lot of northern region girls coming up with serious visions, and they are doing well. I'm excited. I'm excited. And so, how much is this going for?
This is 100 cedis.
100 cities.
Yes.
100 cities. And then this is
40 cedis.
40 cities.
Yes.
And also this is
25 cedis.
25 cities.
Yes.
Okay, these are cool prices. So if you want some, you can contact Adapts Ventures for your shea butter. They are looking natural. So for your natural skin and your beautiful skin, look at how she's glowing. You see, the CEO is glowing, so you have to purchase the product. So it's very wonderful seeing you in this entrepreneur. What are the challenges that you faced as an entrepreneur, as a lady? No, not, you see, normally I see men come out as entrepreneurs and we normally push, but I don't see ladies as entrepreneurs these days. But then seeing one, it makes me excited. So what are the challenges that you faced as an entrepreneur?
Well, there are a lot of challenges, but you just turn the challenges into opportunities for you.
Okay.
Being financial, getting appointments, contract with people, you know, it's not easy. And in Ghana, if you don't know somebody who knows somebody, it's
you
a
must
whole-
know somebody to
who
know
knows
somebody. Okay.
But if you are just coming in all new,
Okay.
it's very difficult.
Okay.
But just turn that into opportunities for you
Okay.
when the challenges come.
Okay,
Yeah.
that is awesome. So what advice will you give to the youth, the young ladies out there? What advice do you expect them to get? Like, what are the things that helped you, that when you want to advise them with what is helping you, you want them to know?
First of all, God.
God.
Yes. He should be your pillar in everything you do.
Okay,
Human beings will always disappoint you, but God never disappoints you.
that's
If
awesome.
somebody promise you something, pray to God first before you even pray for the person,
Oh.
because the person might change their mind.
Wow.
And work hard. Like, Increase. Yabaka say empower
Juma.
yes, empower need to nipa so.
Okay.
Because if you rely on somebody, they will disappoint you.
They will disappoint you.
Yeah, just work hard regardless of your situation. Like, don't let someone take you for granted. Know what you want and go for it.
And go for it.
Yes.
So as Mercy said, know what you want and go for it. And so we have our own CEO of Adaptia here. She's a DJ, she's a chef, she is also a strong advocate for women empowerment. So it's very powerful. I'm excited to meet this young lady, and she's doing so well for herself. And so today I spoke to her, and I am very glad to have met her today. And so what will you say to our viewers, those who are watching us, if they want to get your product, where can they get it, and what shops, what platforms can they reach you?
Okay, so I have an Instagram page called Adaptia Ventures or Adapts Ventures.
Okay.
You can reach out to me on Instagram to Queen Tipra, Queen_Tipra.
Okay.
Yes, there's a shop opposite Abedipele's house on the Lagos Avenue at East Legon, just by Fairway. It's called Tissue House.
Okay.
They have my product.
That's awesome.
Yes.
So that is where we can get some of the product.
Yes.
What about your empowerment? Do you have an upcoming program where you have to speak to the people about it?
Yes. About the empowerment, after winning the Miss Excellency Queen Ghana, the maiden edition in Ghana, that was last January 27th. I have a project to embark, that is to help the women at the PPC at Paga Factory.
Wow.
I'll be launching that very soon.
That's awesome. That's awesome. So if you are the northern, it's the northern region, right?
Yeah,
so
northern part of Ghana, Upper East region.
Upper East region. So Upper East region. Our sister Mercy is having, is it an empowerment session?
Yeah.
What's the name of the program that will be?
It's PPC at Paga Women Empowerment.
PPC at Paga Women Empowerment. And so if you are at Paga, around anywhere close, you can come for this program. And when is it happening?
The date has not been fixed yet, but somewhere in April.
Somewhere in April. So you can follow her on Instagram, on TikTok, on Snapchat, or any of the social media platforms to get updated on this upcoming women empowerment program. And I am excited to meet her. I want all ladies to pick up the entrepreneur spirit and then rise. We would like to give a shout out to the crew, which is to DKP Scott, and also to Danny Clef Media and its DP Studios, and then the Oheza Studio. And so let's give a shout out to the team that also manages and supports Mercy. Mercy.
I want to say a big thank you to my manager, Maureen, Napanda Beauty on Instagram, and Danny Clef Media.